Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about AWS Directory Service. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how AWS Directory Service works in a typical application environment. Let's get started. AWS Directory Service is a service for Microsoft Active Directory, also known as AWS Managed Microsoft AD. It enables your directory-aware workloads and AWS resources to use Managed Active Directory in the AWS cloud. AWS Directory Service is built on actual Microsoft Active Directory and does not require you to synchronize or replicate data from your existing Active Directory to the cloud. It allows you to use standard Active Directory administration tools and take advantage of built-in Active Directory features such as group policy and single sign-on (SSO). Let's talk about benefits of AWS Directory Service. AWS Directory Service offers the following benefits for your organization. Simplify your Active Directory operations. Streamline your time to market from on-premises to AWS. Provide existing AD users and groups with access to AWS. And improve your security posture and resiliency. Let's elaborate each of these benefits. Simplify your Active Directory operations. You can simplify your Active Directory operations, availability, maintenance, and on-premises workload management. Streamline your time to market from on-premises to AWS. You can easily streamline time to market by securely migrating directory-aware workloads to AWS. Provide existing AD users and groups with access to AWS. Provide user experiences with less friction by using your existing Microsoft AD credentials to access AWS resources. Improve your security posture and resiliency. You can improve your security posture and resiliency with advanced Active Directory monitoring, logging, and networking. Now let's talk about use cases for AWS Directory Service. AWS Directory Service supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad range of customers. Simplify administration with a managed service. Migrate directory-aware workloads. Integrate your on-premises credentials. And scale your directory globally. Let's talk about each of these use cases. Simplify administration with a managed service. Move to a highly available, managed infrastructure that includes patching and software updates and automatic domain controller replacement. Migrate directory-aware workloads. Make Microsoft AD-aware and non-Microsoft directory-aware workloads available on demand so you can improve your time to market. Integrate your on-premises credentials. Provide seamless user access to your AWS resources such as Amazon Connect, Amazon QuickSight, Amazon Workspaces, and third-party business applications. Scale your directory globally. Deploy Microsoft AD across multiple AWS regions and AWS accounts to access AD-aware applications and AWS services. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Directory Service works in a typical application environment. AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory, also known as AWS Managed Microsoft AD, activates your directory-aware workloads and AWS resources to use managed AD on AWS. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Directory Service and integrations with other AWS services. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how AWS Directory Service works in an application environment. In conclusion, use AWS Directory Service and gain efficiency with a fully managed Microsoft Active Directory service. That's all about AWS Directory Service. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.